Could you describe what problem OSO specifically is solving?
So we are authorization as a service. What that means is that you basically buy something to do your authorization. You don't have to write it yourself. Why is this important is that your engineers don't want to build something that's not integral to your product. So if your product is selling financial services, they want to build things that's related to finance. They don't want to build authorization tooling. So what we allow you to do is basically outsource your authorization. And the underlying technology is that it allows you to decouple your authorization specific code from your application code, and you centralize all of that, which what we call that your policy, and your policy allows you to make informed decisions about who has permissions to do what within the application. And we have a bunch of access control models that we support, which is RBAG, ABAG, REBAG. And if a person shows up to your company as an admin on an organization, they automatically get all of the permissions and that admin role may have. So you don't have to one by one add every single person that joined your company in your database and then go through your different layers of code and see like, where did I write authorization related code that now I have to update. So now you don't have to update it in multiple different places, and it's a lot more maintainable. Another thing that we do is we allow you to not centralize all of your authorization data. We allow you to not rethink your application architecture and just use wherever the data right now currently lives. We call that local authorization, and how it works is that basically asks you if this person is an admin, and if you say yes, they're an admin, it checks back and also clouds what can an admin do. Can an admin access this folder? And it gives you the result. As long as this person is an admin, they will be able to do XYZ, which is way easier than consistently keeping two databases in sync.